Episode 7, Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. Hello and welcome to Listen to Stories. This is a simple story for English learners. Today, our character is Adam, and his story is about food and meals. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. My name is Adam, and today I want to talk to you about food. I love food, and I think about it a lot every day. Every day, I eat 3 meals: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner in the evening. My first meal of the day is breakfast. For me, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning, and the first thing I think about is my breakfast. I go to the kitchen and I open the fridge. I look inside and I think, what do I want to eat today? Sometimes I eat bread with butter and jam. The bread is soft and the jam is sweet, and I love it. Sometimes I make eggs. I like my eggs fried with a little salt and pepper. I always drink something with my breakfast. Sometimes I drink tea, and sometimes I drink coffee. Today I make a cup of coffee. The coffee is hot and strong, and it smells wonderful. I sit at my kitchen table and I eat slowly. Breakfast is a quiet time for me, and I enjoy every minute of it. I look out of the window while I eat. The morning sky is beautiful today, blue and clear. After breakfast, I feel ready for the day. A good breakfast gives me energy and makes me feel strong. I leave the house at 8 o'clock and I go to work. By 12 o'clock, I am hungry again. Lunchtime is at 1 o'clock at my office. I stop my work and I go out with my colleague Sarah. Sarah and I go to a small restaurant near the office. We go there every Tuesday and Thursday because we like it very much. The restaurant is small but very nice. The food is always fresh and delicious. I look at the menu and I think about what to eat. Today I want something warm because the weather is cold outside. I order a bowl of soup and some bread. Sarah orders a big salad with chicken. The soup arrives and it smells amazing. It is hot and full of vegetables and it tastes wonderful. Sarah looks at my soup and she says, "That looks delicious, Adam." I say, "It is. Do you want to try some?" She tries a little and she smiles. She says, "Next time I will order the soup too." We eat our lunch slowly and we talk. We talk about our work, our weekend, and our plans for the evening. After lunch, I drink a glass of water. Then Sarah and I walk back to the office together. Lunch gives me energy for the afternoon. Without lunch, I cannot work well in the afternoon. At 5 o'clock, I finish my work and I go home. By the time I arrive home, I am very hungry again. Dinner is my favorite meal of the day. I have time to cook something nice, and I enjoy cooking very much. Tonight, I decide to make pasta with tomato sauce. Pasta is easy to cook and it tastes very good. I put a pot of water on the stove and I wait for it to boil. While I wait, I cut some tomatoes and onions for the sauce. I cook the tomatoes and onions in a pan with a little oil. The kitchen smells amazing after a few minutes. I add some salt, pepper, and a little sugar to the sauce. My mother taught me to add a little sugar. It makes the sauce sweet and perfect. The water boils and I put the pasta in. I wait for 10 minutes and then I check if it is ready. I try a piece of pasta and it is perfect. I put the pasta on a plate and I add the tomato sauce on top. I also cut some fresh bread to eat with my pasta, and I pour a glass of cold water. I sit at my table and I look at my dinner. It looks beautiful and it smells wonderful. I take my first bite and I close my eyes. It tastes amazing. I am a good cook. I eat my dinner slowly and I enjoy every bite. There is no hurry now. The evening is mine. After dinner, I feel full and happy. I wash my plate and my pot and I clean the kitchen. I make a cup of tea and I go to the living room. I sit on my sofa and I drink my tea slowly. I think about my 3 meals today. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All of them were good. Food is not just something you eat. Food is a happy part of every day. And tomorrow I will wake up and do it all again, because every day starts with breakfast, and that is always a good thing. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.